What if aliens use lasers to communicate or even propel spacecraft? LaserSETI is a global network of high-resolution cameras that monitor the night sky for laser pulses. The latest observatory was installed on the top of Maui's dormant volcano Haleakala in 2021, which is why I'm in a rental car motoring up 10,000 feet to the summit. I'm traveling with Elliot Gillum, Director of Optical SETI at the SETI Institute, to see what it's like to work on the LaserSETI project. There are 2 instruments on Haleakala, each with 2 cameras, and all of them have stopped working. Elliot hopes we can quickly switch out the cameras in both instruments, ensure they're focused, and call it a day. When we reach the summit, we only have 30 minutes until dark. It's lovely but cold, so Elliot and I put on our coats and gloves before opening the first LaserSETI instrument. We then swap out the 2 cameras inside and make sure they're connected to the power source. Everything should be working now. Elliot boots up the LaserSETI computer, but it doesn't detect the cameras. After Elliot checks the first instrument again and confirms that the new cameras are set up properly, we know now that the issue with the instruments doesn't lie with the camera, but lies with something else. But it's dark and cold, which makes working with the delicate instrument impossible. We pack up our tools and head back down the mountain for a good night's sleep, ready to conquer the scientific mystery in the morning. The next day, Elliot and I brainstorm about what could be going on with the LaserSETI instrument. He decides to stop for a multimeter, which is a tool that measures electrical voltage. It will help us figure out if there's a component in the LaserSETI instrument that's not working. When we reach the top of the summit again, Elliot opens the LaserSETI instrument and begins testing different components. First up is the terminal that connects power to the Raspberry Pi, and it's working. Now Elliot tests the terminal that connects power to the hard drive, and that works as well. But when Elliot tests the terminal that connects power to the camera, there's not a blip on the multimeter. This is our problem. We disconnect the faulty relay and connect power directly to the camera. When Elliot rechecks the LaserSETI computer, it's detecting both cameras and ready to observe. It was awesome to be on the ground with Elliot and troubleshoot through this problem, and I'm excited that you came along on this video diary to learn more about LaserSETI. Stay tuned for even more updates in the coming months as we prepare to deploy new instruments to additional observatories around the world.